Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today I'm coming to you with a unboxing and first look at a new phone that I just recently got. So let's get into it. Okay guys, as I said before, this is a unboxing and a first look. So everyone knows that my iPhone, my gold iPhone, whoa, hit myself in the face. My gold iPhone has been giving out on me, and when I try to record video on the phone, the sound goes in and out. I can't hook it up to my computer any longer, which is absolutely insane. I think it's something that Apple may have done so that you can't use a PC to edit. I don't know. Sounds weird, but when I would hook it up to my computer, it totally wouldn't download any videos. So, needless to say, I've been going through that for, I think like 6 months or so, a little bit more. So I got to the point where it was like, you know what, I need a new phone. Sometimes, you know, I could be in the middle of talking to someone on the phone cuts off, just a bunch of different things. So I just didn't want to deal with it anymore. So looked at a million phones maybe and decided I was just going to trade this one in and get another iPhone. I'm used to the iPhone. I haven't really used the Android phone before, and my favorite phone is not made anymore, which were the Windows phones. I don't know if you guys remember those, but that was my favorite phone. So I broke down and I got the iPhone SE. So this is my new iPhone. It's a product red. As you can see, I love red, my favorite color. So this phone actually came in 3 different colors, black, white, and red. I got the red one. So this is the non-techie version because I'm not a techie person. I really just wanted a phone that worked, that I can record on, that I could stick in my pockets, my girl pants pockets, because girls' jeans, as you guys know, they don't hold most phones. So with this being my old phone, this being my new phone, as you can see, there's quite a difference in the size. So now this one will fit into my pocket fine, where this one would be hanging about halfway out, and sometimes I would go to sit down and it would start sliding up, so I'd have to catch it to make sure it didn't fall on the ground. So that was one reason for getting the SE. I'm also a no frills kind of girl. Really, at first look, it's definitely obviously lighter because it is a smaller phone. I really love the red, although, you know, I'm probably going to put a case on it. I do love that when I take the case off, it's just going to be red. That's nice. Has the same features as my 7 Plus had. So you have the push button to turn it off. You can turn it on that way. And it has the fingerprint notch. So there's another YouTuber that I watch. My husband watches him more than me because I'm not a techie person, like I said. And he was mentioning that that's really good for the times that we're living in, where you have on a mask, your face recognition is not going to work unless you pull your mask down, and then you have to open your phone that way. Well, I don't have to do that. I can just do my fingerprint. So, fingerprint, open, which is nice. It does have the large forehead and chin at the top, so just like this one, except this screen is black and this front was white. So that's a nice change. It makes it a little bit less noticeable that this huge band at the top and at the bottom are there. Still has the rocker button for the on and off. Well, not on and off, but for the vibrate versus regular ringtone. And it has the volume keys on the side as well. So, I mean, at first, like I said, at first glance, this is my 7 Plus, except smaller. So, one main difference is the glass on the back. So I believe this does have wireless charging. I do not have a wireless charger, so I'll have to invest in that. But yeah, I mean, it's a phone. Like I said, non-techie version, it's a phone. Oh, they did move the Apple logo to the middle of the phone instead of at the top. I don't know if that makes anybody a big difference, but that was interesting to me. But yeah, it's a phone. It's a red phone. I'm really excited. And it matches with my new watch for my birthday. So I'm gonna use it and see how I feel about it, and I'll do another video and let you guys know if if it works the way that I want it to work, if it fits in my pocket the way I want it to fit in my pocket, if it can hook up to my computer. I don't know if that's still a thing. I think that was with one of the updates. They kind of took it off where you couldn't attach it to or hook it up to a PC and download photos and video and stuff. So we're gonna see if it works again, and I'm gonna test it out probably on Facebook and do some Facebook lives and see if my volume is fine and all that great stuff. So today, the first thing I'm probably gonna do is get a case for it. I'm very clumsy, so I'll get a case for it. Hopefully I can find something that's clear so that you can still see the red. And I'm gonna rock this for a week, and then I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. So yep, iPhone SE, tiny little phone, baby phone. So that's went to videos. So my baby phone, my old phone, I mean that is quite the difference, you know what I mean? So let's see if it works in my jeans and my little girl jeans pockets, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it, and it'll be an honest review. So you guys make sure that you like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that bell twice and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, you guys.